Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. We were asked by a viewer a question on how to stop your power folding mirrors on the 2021 Sorento from folding if you don't want them to. So right now this one is set so that it's on. So if I were to happen to walk up to the vehicle after being away from it, or I hit the unlock, the mirrors are going to be folding in and out. What we're going to do is we're going to go in and I'll show you how to turn that off. So we're going to head right into the vehicle. Get in and start it. So right now they've only got like just the one single button here, which will just basically make you fold them in and fold them out. So if we head into the radio screen, so right from the main screen, if I go to setup and I head to vehicle, I'm going to scroll down to convenience on the left hand side, and then it's going to say welcome mirror / light. So I'm going to go into that and I'm going to disable it, so it's completely unchecked now. So now if I go, I'm going to lock or turn the vehicle off. I'm going to head out. Now when you go to lock the vehicle, the mirrors are not going to fold or unfold. And the reasoning for that too, just because just like this Sorento here, you get some ice buildup around the mirror, so you don't want to do any damage to the motor. So that's just a nice tip for the winter time. Thanks for the questions, guys. If you have any other further questions, I will do my best to answer it. And if I do not have the answer, I will find out the answer as best I can for you. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all the videos we'll be bringing out. And please go ahead and give us a follow on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Thanks, guys.